Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Do you want to keep your screen time active for a longer time? Don't worry guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to change or adjust the screen time out on your Android phone. Let's get started. Open your settings on your Android phone. Then you have to find display option, and it's right here. Click on the display option. Then you have to choose screen time out. Scroll your screen, scroll all the way down until you find screen time out, and it's right here. And if you want to make your screen active for a long time, you have to click on 30 minutes. So it will be active for 30 minutes. Okay guys, that's how we can keep our screen active on Android. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, leave your comments, and also subscribe this channel. Bye.